Today, I'd like to show you how to make a peacock feather hair fascinator. My mum loves peacock feathers and it's Mother's Day coming up, so I told her I would make a hair fascinator thing. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm going to use this and a mixture of all of these craft supplies to make her something that she can stick in her hair. So I've never made one of these before, but I figured one of the important things would be to keep it light. So I'm using a piece of styrofoam that was on the inside of a ribbon and this old hair clip thing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a piece of ribbon to tie it there. Once I've finished, there will be a little bit of stuff going around on the back, so I'm going to get a piece of felt and hot glue that there. But basically just going to use a collection of all of these things to create something that will look beautiful in her hair. And I'm thinking that if I start by attaching it like this, I did a lot of playing around to see what looked good, and I thought that putting the ribbon there looked nicer than just using the styrofoam, so I'll glue that on later. I don't know if you can really see here, but I'm using a little Stanley knife to help press the glue flat after I've put the feather. It really helps. I wanted to add some beads, so I used a little piece of wire and bent it into a shape, and then added the beads I liked. positioning everything was just about trial and error. Just go with what you like. I'm gonna have to ban myself from coffee because I have been super shaky while I'm making this. I think it's coming along really well, and I think my mom's gonna love it. I'm just gonna trim some of this fur off because we don't need too much. And what I'm thinking is that I really like this one, but if I put it there, it's just a bit too covering. So I'm gonna do something a bit sacrilege. I'm gonna chop off all around the outside. Don't hate me.
I wanted to hide all the original ribbon, so I used this pretty little ribbon to cover it. I'd used a little bit too much glue at one stage, so I used these beads to disguise that.
Finishing touch. It got a little bit messy in here, but here it is, finished product. I think my mum is gonna love this.